Here's the most powerful Apple Watch 17 hidden features that we can use anytime and anywhere. I mean no any geo restrictions. Before start, let's subscribe this channel and get notification first. Now we can see the watch face and app that running on watch every time when we are busy or not. Always on display is optimized techniques that work amazingly on all watch faces. To manage the settings, press the digital crown button and find Settings app and tap on it. Now scroll to Display and Brightness option. Scroll to Always On and enable Always On toggle. The same settings are also available on Watch app on iPhone. Apple Watch should turn the display off when it's under the sleeve, even with Always On enabled. It would be great to save extra power. Number 2 trick is on Raise to Speak. Siri will help you to give a result on Safari or call, message. Find the option on Watch app iPhone. Open My Watch app. Now scroll to Siri and search option. Now the second toggle is for Raise to Speak. Enable it. Here I want to search Apple on Wikipedia. Here's my example.
Search on Wikipedia.
What do you want to search for?
Apple.
Here's some information.
Number 3 trick is find your iPhone in a dark room using an Apple Watch. Now play sound and flashback LED light at once. On your watch control center, swipe up your finger on watch, find the phone icon and touch and hold on it to play sound on a locked iPhone and turn LED flash as well. Carefully learns this trick. Number 4 trick is Noise app on Apple Watch. Turn on and stop affecting your hearing above the threshold. Go to Apple Watch apps and find ear icon Noise app. Now tap on Environmental Sound Measurements option. Turn on the toggle. Go back to the previous screen and tap on Noise Notification. Set yours preferred threshold from 80 decibels to 10 decibels. You will receive a notification if the average sound level over 3 minutes if exceeds the decibels limit. The same setting you will change from the iPhone Watch app. Open Watch app, scroll to Noise and enable the settings. Number 5 trick is built in a calculator app. Tips and split the bill function. Very well managed in a small screen. Also best in use. Open the calculator app on Watch from Maps. Now, the calculation is simple like a traditional calculator. But new tip button for split the bill. Enter the bill, tips and percentage on number of people. Next, the result is on the watch. Find the amount you have to pay per person. Here's my bill is $100 and share 10% tip. Use digital crown button to change it. And number people you are, here's 2. Now final is $110. And the shared amount is $55 to each. Number 6 trick is to use the Cycle app and build menstrual cycle tracking. Open Cycle app on your Apple Watch from Watch app screen. Next, enter the details of your current cycle, period flow, flow level, symptoms, life activity, ovulation test result, cervical mucus quality, basal body temperature. Spotting. Once you submit the details, your watch predict your cycle and give you a notification to help you keep on top of things. Number 7 trick is to use voice memo to record voice and talk around you silently without iPhone. Open Recorder app from Apple Watch app screen, press the digital crown button, and tap on the record button to start recording. Anytime we can stop recording. After that, tap on the play button to listen to recording. Also we can delete for more options, and manage the volume level using the speaker icon showing on the app. Move back and listen to another recording and delete the old recording by a swipe to right. And tap on the delete button. Number 8 trick is to use a compass app on Apple Watch for the directions, elevation. No internet connection, we can use compass. Before begin, compass is less accurate on belt that has a magnetic clip. Open compass app on watch app screen, enable location service. Now compass uses magnetic north by default that we can change it to true north from settings. Open Settings app on Apple Watch, scroll to Compass and enable True North. Hold your Apple Watch on 0 levels so you can measure from the watch. Scroll down using digital crown button, check incline number sets at 0 or level it. You can also find useful information. Next is how to set the bearing on Watch Compass app. Touch and hold on compass dial and until you see Edit Bearing, tap on it. Use the digital crown button to set the bearing area. Once you set, tap on the Done button to apply. Now we can differentiate easily. And remove bearing, touch and hold on compass dial and tap on Clean Bearing option. That's it. Number 9 trick is on new improved Maps app on Apple Watch. We can get step-by-step directions like an iPhone. Press the digital crown button and find the Maps app. Now we can search for places using dictation, scribble, contacts and nearby services. I am looking for gas stations and the different locations around me. Tap on gas station to get the direction. See different routes using the digital crown button. Once you select, we can see ETA. Check different directions on small screens very easily and recenter your location using the arrow icon on the Apple Watch screen. We can end the route anytime or after complete our journey. Number 10 trick is Advanced Emergency SOS service on Apple Watch. Apple Watch detect hard fall and don't seem to move or lift your right. Open Watch app on iPhone, scroll to Emergency SOS. Next to this, scroll to Fall Detection toggle. Enable it. Now your Apple Watch plays sounds and alarm and calls emergency services. This mode is more active during physical activity. Number 11 trick is to download a third-party watch app on Apple Watch. Because Apple stopped to download app from iPhone Watch app. Let's check how to download the app directly on the Apple Watch. Press the digital crown button, find the App Store app icon and find the new app from the App Store using dictation or scribble. Here I trying to download the Uber app on Apple Watch. That's very easy. Next, I am using Scribble to download the app and install on Apple Watch. Use finger to type character and search easily. That's it. Number 12 trick is used functional watch face, more and more details as a glance. So we save more time behind see battery, message, calculator. Here in my watch face is used infographics from iPhone Watch app that customized after that. Let's see why I am using it. First is voice memo. Start recording anytime quickly from the watch face. Just tap on it and start recording. Next is battery. Check battery and put power reserve mode quickly. The third is unread messages. Fourth is a contacts app. Do call and more. 4 more apps are calendar app, heart rate, weather and calculator. That we can customize also. Press and hold on the Apple Watch face to put in edit mode. Tap on customize option and start changing watch dialog using the digital crown button. And swipe to edit complications. Select complication and use digital crown button to change it. Press the digital crown button to exit from edit mode and save it. Number 13 trick is to delete built-in apps from Apple Watch, also known about list view. Press and hold on the app icon to delete from the watch. Or long press on Apple Watch screen, see list view and grid view option, tap on list view to see all app in the list. Now delete particular by swipe it to left on the screen. Number 14 trick is to rearrange face on Apple Watch. Keep your favorite watch face in serial so we can easily switch between face. First press and hold on watch face, And don't go with Customize option, because this help and modifies face only. But Rearrange, again touch moves face between another face showing in the video screen. Number 15 trick is check available storage on Apple Watch Series 5, that is doubling the previous model. Also, we can save photos, songs to watch. So, anytime we can look after the available free space on Apple Watch. Press on a digital crown button and find and tap on Settings app. Next tap on General and About. Scroll using the digital crown button and see available space on your Apple Watch. Here's my watch has 24 gigabytes of free space. Number 16 trick is to measure ECG and share or export recording report. This is the advanced part of the Health app. To perform on Apple Watch, press the digital crown button and find ECG app. Tap on it. Now touch your first finger on Apple Watch digital crown button. Now Apple Watch record it for 30 seconds with timer shown on the watch face. Don't remove the figure until the timer ends. Now, your ECG recording will be saved on your paired iPhone. On your iPhone, open Health app, tap on Browse and find Heart. Next, find electrocardiograms ECG and see all the saved ECG recordings. Just below the graph, find the link for export a PDF for your doctor, and save on your iPhone. Also, we can share it directly on Mail, AirDrop with the top right sharing icon, square box with upper left arrow icon. This is last but not least number 17 tricks. Now Apple Watch Map is improved compared to the old Maps app. So, press the digital crown button to move watch apps. Find the map icon and open it. Here's the list of devices signed in the same Apple ID or your family and friends device. Tap on Share My Location, select the friend's name after a tap on Contacts icon, and start sharing. Also, we can manage your personal settings that allow or disallow to share your location with your friends.